oil was at 110, but for some reason the water was getting hot, so it was saying. But it's a very hot car in a figurative sense. So thank you very much for stopping by and asking if I could take it for a lap. Because we've done last year one F10. This is the second I ever been driving, and it has already, well, air ones, endless pads, lowering springs, and most importantly, as you said, 700 horsepower.
Yeah, 700 horsepower with a forged engine as
nice.
Well. It's got built about 10,000 miles ago.
Okay.
So it's still a fresh engine. It's just a shame that the radiator couldn't go.
Yeah. Well, now you have some homework to do, I guess, for next year.
Yeah.
So, or next time, whenever that's gonna be.
Yeah.
No, I liked it. It was a bit, how should I say, still a bit on the understeery side, because I don't know, do you have any camber on the front?
Standard.
Yeah. So that's the issue when you put the car on semis. It tries to kind of, mostly even, sometimes even understeer if it's a heavy car or a bit of body roll. Regardless, something different, something nice, something cool. So I guess you guys enjoyed the lap and looking forward to seeing you next time.
Yes,
thank you so much.
Experience.
Unless we missed something worth mentioning.
No, I think we've been through it all, to be honest.
Yeah, the key components have been mentioned.
Yes,
nice white leather interior.
Yes.
Yes. So, as some people might say, that's how my car should have been. Ja, ist noch auf. Deswegen. Yeah. Just trying to be honest and polite.
Yeah.
Anyway, we are on the track. Ooh, spicy. Engine temperatures. Oh, already. Oh, and it's stuck in 7th gear.
Oh, I think it flips itself up until it cools down. Oh, no way.
Huh. Where are the temps? Can we see them somewhere?
No, I don't think so.
Because oil is okay.
Yeah.
cool it down from here. And
Yeah. We struggled on the hotter days last year at this section.
But the oil is fine.
Yeah.
110.
What do you think then?
It's quite good.
Yeah.
Did you have it on the dyno?
Yeah, it's about 700.
Okay. So is it about 700 or you have an exact number?
It's 698. I think
Okay.
it was.
We're not the only ones that overheated, I guess.
Yeah.
I'll wait for the top of the hill and then we can go a bit faster again.
Yeah,
Not to
definitely.
put too much stress in the engine.
Yeah.
There's that.
Yeah. Very hot day though, isn't it?
Yeah, actually it is. 27, so finally some hot days.
Yeah.
Desert.
Yeah.
No, it was nice. I like it's the first, well, it's the second F10 M5 that I'm trying, and it's the first F10 M5, or actually any M5 that I try on AR1 semi-slicks, decent brakes as well.
Yeah.
So it's a good experience. It was nice. It was just like too bad I couldn't handle the heat.
Yeah.
Because the oil was fine. It's just like really
Water temp.
yeah. Get a better radiator, I guess.
Yeah. I'll have to look into an alloy one.
Yeah.
See if I can find somewhere that doesn't.
Because it was very quick. Like
Yeah.
to go this hot into already there. So
Yeah.
But yeah, it was nice.
No, I'm massively impressed.
No, happy to hear.
Yes.
Something.
Well, thank you for that.
Yeah, thank you. Then yeah, see you next time.
Yes.
With
next
more
time.
cooling.
Yeah, definitely.